How to play Skate 4 pre-alpha. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to sign up and play the Skate 4 pre-alpha, also known as Skate. Whether you are a long-time fan of the Skate series or just curious to try out the next-gen skating experience early, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. Step by step. 1. Go to the official website. Open your browser and go to ea.com games skate. This is the official EA registration page for the Skate Insider playtest. 2. Sign in or create an EA account. Click on Sign in to EA Playtesting. If you already have an EA account, just log in. If not, create one. It's free and quick. 3. Complete the playtest survey. Once logged in, you will need to complete a short survey. Choose your preferred platform, PC, Xbox, PlayStation or mobile, and answer a few quick questions about your gaming habits. 4. Submit and wait for confirmation. After submitting the survey, you'll be registered as a Skate Insider. Keep an eye on your email inbox. You'll get notified if you're selected for the playtest. Remember, registration doesn't guarantee access right away. 5. How to access the playtest. If you're selected, here's how to play. On PC, download and install the EA app. Log in with your EA account. The Skate playtest will show up in your gaming library. If it doesn't appear immediately, try restarting the EA app. 6. Important reminder. Keep in mind, the pre-alpha is confidential. That means no streaming, recording, or posting gameplay footage. EA is watching. And that's it. This was the complete tutorial on how to sign up and access the Skate 4 pre-alpha. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.